Hlezi eweka lokhu sekhona Ekhaya Jikelele kanti ngoku singena kuyure yethu yesibini sendaba.
Ake sibheke ehamba phambili ke kuleli hora. Kulindeleke ukuthi iqale phansi icala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa namhlanje njengoba selezi kwenganyelwa yijaji elisha.
120 commitments. We are at 70% of those commitments. Word for word, what we did. Yes, we do have challenges, major challenges.
Unobhala Jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi umbutho lawulayo ukwazile ukuzalisekisa ezinye zezithembiso owazenzayo kumqulu wezithembiso phambi konyulo likazwelonke.
Ampangala manhlendi kunike wona Moleni Ekhaya igama lami kuzuke say the best Afro Soul artist ka 2023 ubukele Ekhaya Jikelele apho khona ufumana khona indaba zokuqala the best music the best entertainment hlala ungayindawo.
Icala lokubulala uSenzo Meyiwa liyaqhubeka namuhla enkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli. Lokhu kwenzeka njengoba ijaji elisha kungenzeka ukuthi lithathe izintambo kanti kulindeleke ukuthi icala liqale ukuqulwa kabusha. Ijaji eliphethe uChief wamaumela uhlaselwe ukugula. uZandi Khumalo ongidadewabo ke kalo wayintombi yongasekho uSenzo Meyiwa uKheli Khumalo wayeseboxing ke lofakazi. Kumanje amadoda amahlanu abhekene necala lokubulala uMeyiwa ngo2014. Ukuqulwa kwecala osekusakazwe kabanzi sekuphinde kwashaya enye ingwijikhwebu njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi kuqale phansi. Esigcawini sokugcina senkantolo iphini likamengameli wamajaji eGauteng uAubrey Dwaba uthe ijaji uMaumela uhlaselwe ukugula futhi mancane amathuba ukuthi abuyele enkantolo maduze. Nokho ke uthembise ukuthi uzokwenza konke okusemandleni uqinisekisa ukuthi ke leli icala alibambezeleki. Lokhu kulandela ukuthi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa emise uMaumela kanye nomunye uzakwabo ijaji uNomonde Mgqibisa Thusi kanti bona ke basola ngokubambezela inqumo eziningi. Inkantolo kulindeleke ukuthi memezele namuhla ukuthi izoba yini indlela yaphambili.
Ityala lobuqhophololo elijongene noWaisak bangusodolophu weTheku uZandile Gumede kwakunye nabanye abarhanelwa abangama-21 liza kubuyela kwinkundla ephakamileyo yaseThekwini.
Umbuso usola owayeyimeya yaseThekwini uGumede owayeyikhansela uMondli Mthembu iphini lenhloko yokuqoqwa kukadoti eThekwini uRobert Abo nowayisikhulu esiphezulu somkhandlu uSipho Nzuza kanye nesinye ke isikhulu somkhandlu umnumzana uSandile Ngcobo ngokusebenzisana ukuze leli thenda litholwe izinkampani ezithile. Labasolwa bayaziphika ke lezi insolo. Umnumzane umbuso Ngcobo owayesebenzela uphiko lokuphenya ke emkhandlweni nguyena ofakazi wokuqala ke umbuso kuleli cala. Kwavela ke enkantolo ukuthi lolu phiko lwalunywa indlebe ngezinsolo zenkohlakalo kuleli thenda. Inkantolo iphinde yatshelwa ke ukuthi uphenyo ngalezi insolo lwabe luqhutshwa inkampani ezimele. Ngesikhathi ufakazi ke umbuso ephekwa ngemibuzo mayelana nokuqokwa kwelenkampani eyayiphenya lolu daba, wachaza ke ukuthi lenkampani iyaqokwa emuva kokulandela yonke imigudu yangaphakathi efanele. uNgcobo akazange ke saqedela ukwethula ubufakazi emuva kokuthi etheke uxinwe ukugula. Omunye umphenyi ke osebenza emkhandlweni umnumzane uShawn Hitler naye uchazele inkantolo ngemigudu eyalandelwa ngaphambi kokuthi kuqokwe inkampani eyayiphenya lolu daba. Icala lahlehliselwa ke umsombuluko bonke abasolwa bangaphandle ngebhayili. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya uzindaba ze-SABC ngiseThekwini.
Kulindeleke ukuthi bavele namhlanje enkantolo abalisa bayisithupha abanindeka egamekweni zokunqonqisa ngomlilo amaloli. Iphini lomkhuzo wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uTibelo Musikili liqinisekisile izolo lokusihlwa ezindabeni zalapha eSABC ukuboshwa komsola wesithupha. Lomsolwa wakwamuva ubanjwe nje kusanda kuboshwa abanye basolwe Limpopo naseMpumalanga. Ifundazwe iLimpopo, iKwaZulu-Natal kanye neMpumalanga zikhahlameze kakhulu ke mbukeli ochungechungeni lwezigameko zokungqongqiswa kwamaloli ngomlilo. Lokhu kwenzeke ngesonto ledlule ngesikhathi kuthungelwa ngomlilo amaloli ayisithupha emgwaqeni ke othela wayeka uN3 eFandrenen Pass. Sikhuluma ke nje sekujutshwe umbutho wamasosha endaweni okwenzeka kakhulu ke kuzo lezi ihlakalo ezweni lonke. Kanti kulabasola bayisithupha abane babo bazovela phambi kwenkantolo yemantshi eEmelo eMpumalanga khona namhlanje.
Kusenjalo kulindeleke kuma bavele kwinkundla kamantyi yaseEmelo abatyholwa abane kwabahlanu abatyholwa ngokutshisa izigadla kwindawo ezintathu. Okuke kukhokele kwimibuzo malunga nokusebenza kwezobuntlola.
We are facing a very serious threat in South Africa today with this torching of the trucks. We know from past experience that this was a prelude to the uprising that happened in KZN, I think it was 2021, if my memory serves me correctly. And of course, we don't know if that could happen again now. We know the Constitutional Court has just made a ruling about Jacob Zuma, and that was associated with the last uprising. So we don't know if these things are connected. And this is why it's so important that I would believe the State Security Agency should have the responsibility to do this, because the difference between the two agencies is that crime intelligence reports only on the crime aspects, not on the state security aspects of these things.
Uzophoqeleka ukuba ahlale endlini angaphumi isikhathi esingangosuku uNorman Afzal Simons emva kokuthola ushwele ekupheleni kwesonto. uSimons owaziwa ngelika Station Strangler usebhadle ejele iminyaka engama-28 emva kokutholakala enecala lokubulala uElroy van Rooyen oneminyaka eyishumi ubudala.
Ihlukene imbono ezakhamuza kule ndawo mayelana nelokuthi anikeze ushwele uNorman Simons owaziwa ngelika Station Strangler. Simons walahlwa icala lokubulala ingane neminyaka eyishumi ubudala ize ayibekwe amacala ngama-22 okubulala. Ezinye izakhamuzi zithi kufanele ngabe kunombiko wezobulungiswa mayelana nokuqhubeka kophenyo lwalamacala abandakanyene uSimons, kanti ezinye zithi umfanele ushwele njengoba selitholile olwakhe uswazi.
There should be a report from the Justice Department as in terms of where is the investigations with regarding to these outstanding cases.
He should get a second chance. Remember that he was only tried for one case, which means that he has served his sentence.
Umphathi wesiteshi samaphoyisa kule ndawo uthi ucwaningo lwalamacala luseyithebeni zabo ukusho ukuthi awavaliwe unomphela amacala kaSimons.
When it happens whereby evidence do not lead us to such a fashion that the investigation can proceed, it doesn't necessarily mean that that case will be closed permanently. No.
Umnyango wezokudlunyeleliswa kweyimilo uthona ulandela okutshelwa inkantolo awenzi ngokwawo ukuqonda. Kusenjalo uSimons akazuvumeleka ukuba aphume endlini usuku lonke uma esededelwe ngoshwele ngasekupheleni kwesonto elizoqala. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni ze-SABC.
Inhlangano ebusayo iANC ishaya isifuba ngokuthi kuningi esikwenzile kulokho okwabe kuqukethwe kusomqulu wayo wezethembiso zokhetho lika 2019. Lokhu ke kudalule unobhala Jikelele weANC ufikile Mbalula esithangameni sabe indaba emini eGoli.
Esikhathini lapho iningizimu Afrika ibhekene khona nezinselelo ezifana nekwenyuka kwentengo yokudla kanjalo nokwanda kwesibalo sabantu abangasebenzi, unobhala Jikelele weANC ukholelwa ukuthi izethembiso ezenziwa inhlangano ngesikhathi kubhekwe ukhethweni luka 2019 eziningi zazo bakwazile ukuyigcina.
120 commitments, we are at 70% of those commitments. Word for word what we did. Yes, we do have challenges, major challenges.
Umbalula uphawulile nangeyinqumo ezimbili ezikhishwe inkantolo yomthethosisekelo odabeni oluvune isinqumo sikaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ngokumisa kwakhe esikhundleni umvikeli womphakathi uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Kanjalo nangesinqumo esihlonze ukuthi wayengumengameli uJacob Zuma kuzofanele abuyele ngaphakathi ejele ukuyoqedela isigwebo sakhe secala.
The fact that she's still standing, she has just been proven beyond reasonable doubt as a delinquent of law. We empathize with President Zuma, and no one wants to see anyone at the age of 80 going to jail. But in this instance, the law is the law.
Udaba lwenkinga yogesi nalo aluzange lusale ngaphandle esithangamini sanamhlanje.
With the evidence we have on work being done, we are confident that by end December 2023, South Africa has a greater chance of ending load shedding.
Udabeni lwezivumelwano ezithile namazwe omhlaba, isigungu esiphezulu se-ANC sifuna uhulumeni wakuleli uzicubungile kabusha ezinye zazo, ikakhulukazi lezo ezingalisiza ingalutho izwe laseNingizimu Afrika.
Ulutsha lwelilizwe alonwabanga imeko yenhlalo eMzantsi Afrika okukwenzeke ngethuba ulutsha lidibene kwindibano yepalamente yabantwana iNelson Mandela eBisho kwiphondo laseMpuma Koloni.
Ezinkokheli zangomso zinika ingqwalasela kwisimo soMzantsi Afrika bathi urhulumente lwelilizwe belungamdaniso wayesakuba ngumongameli weli ongasekhoyo uTata Nelson Mandela.
I think Tata Mandela would be a bit disappointed in our officials and our leaders because we are out here as the children crying for change. We see the detriments that we are living in. Poverty, we are still a poverty-stricken country, and that should not be a case after plus or minus 30 years of democracy.
Bakwagxeke ulutsha lweli ngokungathathi inxaxheba kwimiba yopolitiko kweli lizwe.
Ngokubukeka kwezinto kuzofuneka ukuthi njengentsha sithathe iqhaza sisukume ukuze nathi sakhe izwe esizophila kulona.
Ukuphakamisa ilizwe kwabantwana belilizwe malunga nokusilela kophuhliso kweli kwakunye nokurhulumento olungancomisiyo kukhankanywe njengenye yezinto uTata Nelson Mandela awayezimisele kakhulu ngayo.
He spoke about a South Africa where children are able to speak about what they need and that they are engaged with and they listened to, and that's the approach that the Nelson Mandela Children's Fund takes.
Amalungu eParlamente yabantwana iNelson Mandela Children's Parliament bakwathi bafuna ukubandakanywa ekuqulunqweni nasekuqingqweni kwemithetho ingakumbe echaphazela abantwana nolutsha. Ndingusidima Mfeku kwindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Izibalo eziphezulu zabangeniswa esibhedlela ziyisizathu esibonwe njengembangela yokusoka okungalungile eindaweni ezingaphezulu kwama200 ezifundeni zasePhalaborwa naseLimpopo. Ikhomishana iCRL ithole ukuthi bangaphezulu kwama200 abantu abangeniswe esibhedlela ngenxa yeinkinga zempilo.
Isixhobo esisetshenziswa ukuphonononga ulwaluko size neziphumo ezingaginyisa imathe kwaphela kubudoda babo basondele kuma300 ukulandela ishwangusha elalombethe abazali kwacetywa ikomishini yokuphicotha inkqubo zelisiko kunyaka ophelileyo. Oko kwakusemva kokusindiswa kwabolusiweyo kwiziko lolwaluko olwalungekho mthethweni ze babalekiselwa kwisibhedlele iMaphutha Malaji. Ikomishini iCRL ivakalise ukuba ngenxa yenani elingapha komthamo ingcaphephe yotyando ifikelele ekunxapheni ze waxhaphaqhabisa nelisiko nokukhokelele kwingxwelerha. Yolekile le komishini ngelithi eliziko lolwaluko lwalugunyaziswe inkokheli yezemveli engowasetyhini nothe akakwazi ukuba neliso kwiinkqubo zolwaluko. Ezi zizizathu zokungawuyakali kwabo babandakanyekayo kolulwaluko. Ikomishini ihlabe ikhwelo lokuqingqwa kweenkqubo ezifanelekileyo phambi kokuvulwa kwamaziko olwaluko. Ixhase ngelithi ukugqithiswa kweengxelo zezempilo kumele kuthatyathelwe ingqalelo njengokunyanzelekileyo.
We have the act called Customary Initiation Act. It provides all the prescripts necessary to protect and promote the cultural practice.
Abazali abanabantwana ababengabaxhoba bazityande igila njengababethwe ngemfiphindiwe banomnqweno wokuba ifikelele eluntwini lekomishini.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya Jikelele. U-Augustine Magumbe uneminyaka engama-37 nongumsunguli we-Udumo Arts and Craft Foundation. Ligcisa ke linesakhono nothando kwezobugcisa. uMagombe ke uphila ngokuzoba kunye nokufundisa ulutsha ngesisakhono anaso. Masikubulise sikomtyele Augustine ekhaya Jikelele.
Kunjani ngiyabonga.
Nathi siyaphila siyabulela. Ungumzobi khawusithele thuphe ngomsebenzi wakho into yokubana uqale nini ukuzibona into yoba yayibondi nesakhono sokuzoba?
Ngiqale I think 15 years back. Bekunzima kodwa ukuqala lo msebenzi ngoba ubaba ubengena mali yokusiqasha kahle. So ngisebenze kanzima kakhulu ukuthi ngize ngifike kula because ubaba ubengena mali. Bengumuntu nje ophila nje ngokuyisebenza. So bekunzima ukuthi size sikhona ukudraw besisebenza ngokusebenzisa ama makeup kahle ukuze sidrawe ngoba ama paint bengekho. So besisebenza ama makeup nama pencil nje namalahle nje eswadobha nje strati. Yes.
Siyaqonda into yokubana enye yemiceli mngeni abantu mhlamba abazi artist abajongana nayo ngumba we funding.
Yes.
Wena ngapha kwelakhi icala ufundisa abantwana bangapha kwe100 kumsebenzi wakho. Uyiachieve njani lento without getting support from into ye funding?
Lento ingenza ibe emotional kakhulu ngoba ekubenzima kakhulu ukuthi ufundisa abantwana ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ngithatha imali leyo kumele ngiyisebenzise ku family. Sometimes ngize ngicele nje umaya wasendlini umama Makhumalo uyangisupporta kakhulu but kwesikhathi nokwadi ukuthi ngisebenzisa imali yakhe but uyangisupporta kakhulu ukuthi ngisupporte ingane eziningi estratini ngokufundisa ukudweba. Yes.
I mean i-experience yakho yokuba ufundisa abantwana bathini bona, how is the reception because ubafundisa into mhlawumbe endiqondayo ukuthi esikolweni bava nje ngayo it's theory but wena uyayipractice. Ithini reception yabantwana?
Bajabula kakhulu abantwana ngoba ayikho lento especially kuma township esiphila kuona asuthola usizo. So sometimes kubanzima kakhulu ukuthi masibafundisa ukuthi bayamukele ngoba abayazi bona. Yes.
You raised into ebaleke kakhulu wathi into kubana uMakhumalo uyakwazi ba akuncedise. Kuthi qatha into nje mbusitsho lonto because just a few days on social media abantu bebephikisana ngalonto besithi into kuba yo andikwazi mhlawumbe into kubana ndingaxhasa lo muntu ndinaye especially if ndingumuntu wesifazane ndixhase indoda xa sey right indishinjalo. Luthini uluvo lwakho kulonto?
Kunzima kakhulu ngoba sinokulwa kakhulu mangithatha imali yakhe. But kwesinye isikhathi uya understand ukuthi lo msebenzi ngwenzela charity njalo lo msebenzi ngiyawuthanda. Yes.
Usebenzisa ntoni into yokubana uzi-advertise kuba ngoku sikwelinye ixesha lika social media ngaba mhlawumbe unestand kwindawo kuyo okanye uphinde futhi uzi-advertise na ku social media?
Ngisebenzisa i-Facebook page August Art phinde ngibe no Udumo Arts and Craft Foundation leyo uyithola ku Facebook nayo, then siphinde siye ku Instagram lapho uthola khona Art with Augustine. Ikothola kwemisebenzi yami eminingi lapho. Yes.
Sithe xa sincokola wathi usebenza i-acrylic iyo ne?
Acrylics, yes. On canvas, yes.
Kuthatha ixesha elingakanani ukudesigner and I mean before udesign especially lesiyibona apha, what was the whole inspiration?
Le ngithande kakhulu ukuthi inginikeza ihope njengoba libona kuyiflower. Ngiba emotional kakhulu ngoba inikeza ihope kulezi ngane kakhulu engizifundisayo. So ngithe draw lo draw ngenze just izolo. Ngenze izolo nje. Then being very emotional because bengenzela nje ingane engizifundisayo ukuthi ngizinikeza ithemba ngoba lapha bephila khona it's not easy. So le flower leli ngilenzele just uthando for the kids kahle dedication yabo engibayenzele yona le.
And speaking of ithemba siyaqonda mhlawumbe into yokubana kune challenges njengoba sowubalulile into yokubana especially xa kuziwa kwizinto ze funding. Wenza njani to stay grounded uhlale usethembeni njenge artist phakathi mhlawumbe kwengxaki oye udlule kuzo?
It's very difficult as an artist because indlela esihambayo inzima kakhulu. So sometimes nginokuba patient kwesinye isikhathi but ngiphinde ngibonge uNkulunkulu ngoba mangisiza labafana abancane uNkulunkulu uyangisiza ngokunikeza nje ama jobs nyana a few. because mangibafundisela abafana abancane uNkulunkulu usinikeza nje amandla ukuthi ngithole just a few tenders to work on.
So besides art inoba ikhona mhlambe into yenzayo or mainly ufocuse kwinto zokugcisa?
Yeah, besides art, I'm doing mostly community development, which is nokufundisa abafana njalo ibhola futhi abafana abancane nokubadrawisa.
Wow.
Yes. So into engiyenza kakhulu ekhasi community development. Yes.
Iphansi kweliphiko le Udumo Arts Foundation.
Yeah, it's part of Udumo Arts and Craft Foundation because abanye abathanda ukudraw. So umuntu uzothi ngithanda ukudlala ibhola. So we team embadla sakhona abafana abancane from under 13 to senior level, which is kune youth njalo laba abasebekhulile abangakhona abangasebenzi kahle kahle. So kahle kahle into esiyenzayo ukuthi sibakhiphe estradini because kunzima ekhasi abanye bakuma drugs abanye bahluphekile, so we trying to unite them ukuthi babe sendaweni eyi-one abadrawe abadlala ibhola abadlali.
Bensazoya kulonto kanye uyithethayo into kubana zininzi impembelelo abantwana nabantu abatsha abaye bazingenise kuzo ngenxa yokuba azikho ii-activities ezifana nezi ezinoba bazigcine. So ungathi mhlambe kule ndawo wena osuka kuyo ungathi ngeyiphe yona challenge abantu abatsha nabantwana abajamelene nayo?
Yeah, i-challenge esifesa kakhulu it's teenage pregnancy, then drug abuse, then into eningi because akunama entertainment akunazinto like ama centers for them to wenza imisebenzi. So sometimes nokusebenzisa igolo ukuthi sibaqoqe sibafake endaweni eyi-one so that they can do ama activities afana nebholo afana nokudrawa.
And do you think mhlambe uhulumende is doing enough into kubana unsupport, because sithethile ngendaba ye-funding? So if mhlambe kune practices ezinje ingaba mhlambe uhulumende wenza into eyaneleyo into kubana anixhase kwaye ngeyiphi into ongayithanda uba angenelele kuyo obona ba iyaleka?
Yeah, kakhulu besithanda ukuthi basize babheke kakhulu especially intsha because ama-resources amanye awafiki, so besicela ukuthi basixhase in terms of resources and ama-equipment like kuyafana nabancane esibafundisa drawing, so it's very difficult to sithola ama-paint into zokudlala ibhola asizithole, but siyacela ukuthi uhulumende asixhashe lapho asinikeze at least support, asinikeze a few things for the kids to use.
Siyaqonda kaloko into yokubana ngomso sakube sibhiyozela usuku lokuzalwa kaBaba uMandela. Apho kaloko abantu bekhuthazwa into yokubana basebenzise ubuntu. Ingaba mhlambe ni foundation ikhona into enizawuyenza?
Yeah, normally sizozama ukuthi siye cleaner or siye painter ezikolweni. That's what we usually do ukuthi siye painter. Sometimes sinokuya cleaner nje amafastera nokucleaner amajarati especially esikolweni.
Wow.
Yes.
Sibuyele kumsebenzi wakho, ingaba mhlambe uqinisekisa njani into yokubana uyohluka kwamanye amagcisa kwaye abantu mhlambe abanomdla abathi bafuna ukuxhasa especially kulomsebenzi owenzayo apho ulula isandla kubantwana abakwi community yakho bangaqhagamshelana njani nawe?
Yeah, bengathola ku Instagram page yethu Art with Augustine, then bangangithola futhi ku Facebook page yami Udumo Arts and Craft Foundation, then August Art. Yes.
And then ungakhuthaza uthini kubantu mhlambe nabo abathi nami ndiyahalela ungena kwinto ze arts, athina amazwi enkuthazo?
Yeah, amazwi enkuthazo ukuthi nje kumele babe patient ngoba art into enzima ukuyenza, but kumele babe patient baqine because indlela yakhona ayikho easy, so they must be patient. Yeah, but practice more because art ifuna more practice and then uzoba right. Yes.
Sibambe ngazibini kwaye ke sikunqwenelela okuhle kumsebenzi wakho nababantwana nolutsha osebenza nabo, siyathemba into yokubana nabo ngenye imini xa sele bebadala baza kubulela iziqhamo uzibona uba hayi noko ndisebenzile bingelolize umsebenzi wami.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu, thank you very much.
Right, imbukeli wami senza njalo kaloku apha ekhaya Jikelele. Uba ngaba mhlambe nawe ulapha ekhaya uligcisa ungathanda into yokubana ube lapha enkqubeni, qiniseka into yokubana uqhagamshelana nathi kumakhasi onxibelelwano. Singathanda kaloku ukubona ubumbejembete nobuhle bomsebenzi wakho owenzayo. Ngoku ke masiyobhatala amatyala, siyabuya wena ungayindawo.
Siphinde Siphinde sikwamukele umbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi usahlezi nathi lapha ekhaya. Mangabe ke sesingena kwezemidlalo kuleli ihora iBanyana isiwaphothulile amalungiselelo wayo omqhudelwano wendebe yomhlaba. Ekade Israel zishaya eCosta Rica ngamagoli 2-0.
Emva kokukhiqwa kwesigaba segroup ligala kudlala kule ngcikela yehlabathi ngo-2019, iqela lika-Desiree Ellis lithemba kuphucula umdlalo walo e-Australia nase-New Zealand. Emva kwempumelelo ngakwi-Costa Rica ithe ngcuku 36 kumanqwanqwa ehlabathi, ezintshatsheli zase-Afrika ezichophe ku-54 kwihlabathi zisakuzixhwithela ku-Group G ngakwi-Sweden, Argentina ne-Italy. Ukubonakalisa kuba umqeqeshi bengawudeleli lo mdlalo wethuse uninzi xa iquka kwiqela unozinto Kaylin Swart nomaswipha ufikile magama. Amanqaku ezenoThembi Kgatlana noHilda Magaiya bezibonakalisa kuba bakulungele ukuthwala iqela kulomsitho omkhulu uzayo. uKgatlana bebuya kokuqala kwiqela emva komonzakalo omhlalise phansi ixesha elide owawufumana kwi-WAFCON nyakenye.
We got the exercise that we wanted. They didn't play exactly like we thought they would. But it's one of the ways we thought they might approach it because they're also preparing for their game. So I think we got a little bit more out of it in terms of how to break them down, and the second half when they push numbers up.
iBanyana inentwenka izizathu ifune ukuba aphucukileyo kwindebe yehlabathi nanjengoko iza kudlala neqela likwindawo yokuqala kwihlabathi iUnited States kwimidlalo emibini yocweyo eMelika.
Izinkakha zomdlalo wamankomane zibe nesidlo esikhethekile sakusihlwa nomshayisibhakela oshayisibhakela esiqhwiza umentshisi uFloyd wakwaMayweather ovela le phesheya kwilwandle.
Lo mshayisibhakela osathatha umhlala phansi utheleke kuleli izolo ngemuva nje kokuvakashela eZimbabwe nalapho ebethamele khona umcimbi wezombusazwe ngaphambi kokhetho lukazwelonke ngenyanga ezayo. uMayweather owayeshaya isibhakela esiqhiza umentshisi akawuvala umlomo ngekhono labadlali bakuleli elihlaba umxhwele.
Well, I had a chance to actually watch I think 3 or 4 exhibition bouts the other day. A lot of talent. So hopefully, you know, I can get with my team that's in Africa. We can get together and bring a lot of this talent. You know, to Mayweather Promotions.
Ngokuhamba kosuku ubesehlela idili likamkhipheni ngaphansi kwendikimba ethi Go Black or Don't Bother.
I always want to inspire my people and push my people, let them know they can be great like myself. I didn't do it by myself, you know. I did it with the push from the fans all around the world, and especially the fans from Africa. And my people from Africa, they pushed me first, and I love them first.
Iningizimu Afrika iyazigqaja ngomlando otusekayo wesibhakela njengoba isikhiqize ompetha bomhlaba. Imali eqongelelwe kulomcimbi kuzothuthukiswa ngayo umdlalo wesibhakela.
Njengamanje ke mbukeli sekuyisikhathi ukuthi kushwi ngaseyitolo sambe phela siyokhokha izikweletu kodwa mangabe sibuya mbukeli sisaqhubeka neindaba la ekhaya Jikelele. Usahlezi nathi ungalingi unyakaze.